In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a contact database in Monday.com. A contact database in Monday.com gives you one central place to store, organize, and manage important customer or client information. It can also become the foundation for a simple CRM, a sales workflow, or even a customer support system. So setting it up properly from the start can save a lot of time later. To begin, log into your Monday.com account. Once you're on the main workspace, click the plus icon to create something new, then choose New Board. After that, click Create Board to open a fresh board that you can customize for your contacts. Now rename the board to Contact Database. This makes the purpose of the board clear right away, especially if you manage multiple boards in your workspace. Once that's done, start creating groups to separate your contacts into useful categories. Rename your first group to New Leads. This group is helpful for people or businesses you've just discovered and haven't qualified yet. Then, rename the second group to Prospects. This is a good place for contacts who have shown some interest and may become customers. Next, add a new group and rename it Active Customers. This group helps you keep track of the contacts you're already doing business with. Add another new group and rename it VIP Clients. This category is especially useful for your highest value relationships or key accounts that may need extra attention. Finally, add one last group and name it Archived Contacts. This gives you a clean place to move older or inactive contacts without deleting them. With your groups in place, it's time to add the essential columns that will hold your contact details. Rename the first column to Full Name. This will be the main identifier for each contact. Then rename the second column to Company so you can quickly see where each contact works or which organization they belong to. After that, add another column for email, and then add a phone column. These are essential for direct communication. Next, add a job title column, which helps provide context about the contact's role. Then add an industry column so you can segment your database by market or business type. Continue by adding an address column. This can be useful for location-based outreach, billing, or record-keeping. Lastly, add a website column if applicable. This gives you quick access to a company or contact's online presence and can be helpful for research and follow-up. And that's how to build a contact database in Monday.com. You logged in, created a new board, organized your contacts into groups, and added the essential columns needed to manage your information clearly and efficiently. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.